Welcome to the Easy CG again. So today I'm going to show you that how to make a group of a first point and the last point of a line or of a curve, and why we need it. In many cases where you want to build something with the curve or a line, we need to group the first point and the last point for the later on purposes. Some example, like suppose if I want to hang this line, so it will be like this parabolic line, and for that case I need to pin this last point and the first point so that the rest will be hang and this will be stick here. So these type of uses, for this type of purposes and all, we need to make the group of first and last point. So I will only show you how to do that, but this is I will do it with the help of VEX. It's very easy and it's in no time we can do it. So let's jump in the Houdini and I will show you how can I do it. So here I am combining these three lines. All the lines are in different direction and different point number also. Like first one is a 10 number, second one is a 15 number, third one is a 5 number and all. And I merge it here. So after that, let's take a attribute Wrangle and just connect it here and make sure this attribute Wrangle ran over point, because we are dealing with the points. Let's open the spreadsheet again, geometry spreadsheet, and we will go to a point because we are dealing with point. So here first we need to collect all the points into a array so that we can do the rest of the calculation and all. So as these are the whole numbers, so it will be an integer array. So I will type int and let's call like PTS and this bracket, square bracket, equal to, then I will type one function, I will call one function that is called prim points, and it will be like 0, comma, and at the rate primnum, that is called primnum, bracket close, then semicolon. So here in this prim points, what we are doing, we are collecting the number of prim numbers, and the 0 is indicating that in which input our geometry is connected. Like this is a 0 input, this is a 1 input, this is a 2 input, this is a 3 input. Total we have 4 input. Out of that we are connecting this one as a 0. So if I connect this one into 1, then I have to give here 1. Okay, this step is done. Then I have to give a command, if else condition, and tell the computer, tell the Houdini that if my count, like my point is 0, like point number is 0, then that will be my first point, and the last point we will calculate by length and we will identify which points are the last point. So we will try with if conditions. If first one will be like @pt num equal to our pt 0. So it will be always a first number because it's starting. So this one is there. This first condition is done. Second condition we will use OR operator, so that this condition that out of these two condition, whatever condition is true, it will create one group. If we put AND condition, then AND operator will what happened? We have to like the two command have to be true, then only the group will be created. But we don't need that one. We need OR operator. So any of the condition is true, then only our group will be created. The second command will be @pt num equals to PTS, our point, this one. Oh, sorry, this is not PT, this will be PTS. and this will be our curve, square bracket. Inside that we have to calculate the length, that is length, and inside I have to give PTS bracket close minus 1, and then this close and the total bracket close, and inside this I will create, I have it's just a one command, so one line command, so we don't give to that curly brackets, but it will be a good practice if you do. So let's create the group, @group group, and let's give a name like first and last. Okay, equal to 1. 1 means group will be created, 0 means group will be not created. So let's check it here. Yes, it's creating. You can see here the first point it's creating 1. That's when this point is in group. Then second is not there, not there. In the first line, last, it's counting the length, where it's counting the length, and suppose the length is coming like 10. It will come by 10 because we can see it's starting from 0, but here in the length it's not starting from, it's not giving starting from 1, it's starting from 1. So 1 to 10, but as our point is in 9, the last point is in 9, so I have to give this minus 1. For this only I have to give minus 1. Okay, so it's creating this one as 1. Then again the first point of the second line is 0, so it will give 1. Again like that, the last point is coming 1, then again second one. Like that it will go. How many lines you have to add, you can add it, but it will work same. So let's see how it's working. So here if I close it and if I on it, you can see these points are in group. So we can give it like color on it so that we can see it much more good way. Let's see by random attribute and make it like first comma last. No, not like this, sorry, my bad. I have to make it as a group. Yes. So let's give it like split. You can do it. Yes, you can use blast also, but I will give like here group name, we already have this one, and if I give color to this one and this one also, and this one is giving like red, and rest will be like yellow, and if I merge it again, then we can see this will be point constant. Oh, I have to give this, sorry, first point anyhow something, but like this we can isolate. For this one I can do it like this. Suppose blast it out, use blast, and I can show you here, and if I give this one, and if I indicate this one, you can see these are the remaining points, not the first and points, and delete the non-selected one, you can see the first and last point. So by this way we can use it, we can group it, the first and last point easily. Thank you for watching it, and have a good day. Bye.